What if I told you that everything you want to achieve in life starts in your mind? That your imagination could be your greatest ally in reaching your goals, no matter how big they are? Visualization is much more than a simple mental exercise. It's a method that helps you turn a vague idea into a clear, powerful vision that drives you to take action. Imagine a moment where you dream of your ideal future. Maybe you see yourself succeeding in a field you're passionate about, living in a place that inspires you, or experiencing the inner peace you've been seeking for so long. Visualization is about taking those fleeting thoughts and giving them structure. For example, let's say you want to start your own business. Instead of just wishing for it, imagine yourself opening your first store or launching your website. Visualize the layout, the people interacting with your product, and the satisfaction on your customers' faces. When you practice visualization, you're not just creating an image, you're immersing yourself in a future reality. Athletes often use this technique. A marathon runner might imagine crossing the finish line, hearing the crowd cheer, and feeling the medal around their neck. This mental preparation sets the stage for their physical performance. The reason visualization is so powerful is that it works on multiple levels. When you visualize your goal, you train your mind to believe it's achievable. This simple shift changes how you perceive yourself and gives you the strength to persevere. Take Michael Phelps, for example. Before every race, he visualized every stroke he would take in the pool. He imagined how his muscles would feel, the resistance of the water, and the sound of the starting buzzer. By the time he actually swam, his brain had rehearsed the experience so many times that his performance felt natural. But it's not just for athletes. Imagine a student preparing for an important exam. By picturing themselves calmly sitting in the exam room, confidently answering questions, they reduce anxiety and improve focus. The brain responds to these imagined scenarios by creating a mental blueprint for success. The beauty of visualization is that it doesn't take much time, but it does require consistency and sincerity. Here's how you can make it part of your routine. Find a quiet moment for yourself. Choose a peaceful spot where you can be alone. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and let your mind calm down. For example, sit in your favorite chair, away from distractions, and dedicate a few minutes to yourself. And project yourself into your dream. Visualize as many details as possible. If your goal is to get a promotion, picture yourself sitting at your new desk, leading a meeting, or celebrating with your colleagues. Now immerse yourself in emotions. Emotions are the driving force of visualization. If you can genuinely feel excitement, gratitude, or pride during this exercise, you amplify its effect. Think about the joy of achieving your dream and let it fill you up. Practice daily. Dedicate 5 to 10 minutes every day to this practice. For example, make it part of your morning routine or something you do before falling asleep. If you want your dreams to come to life, visualization alone won't be enough. It's like a map showing you where to go, but it's up to you to walk the path. Let's say you dream of writing a book. Visualizing the finished manuscript, your name on the cover, and readers captivated by your story is an excellent start. But then ask yourself, what's the first step? Maybe it's drafting an outline, writing 500 words a day, or joining a writer's group for support. Each small action brings your vision closer to reality. Visualization has been a key for many successful people. Oprah Winfrey often talks about how she used visualization to achieve her dreams. Early in her career, she imagined herself hosting a talk show, deeply connecting with her audience. That vision guided her decisions and helped her seize the right opportunities. Even in everyday life, visualization can work wonders. Think of a student dreaming of being accepted into their dream university. By visualizing receiving their acceptance letter, walking around the campus, and thriving in that environment, they're motivated to study harder, apply themselves, and push through challenges. Visualization is an invitation to believe in yourself and your potential. Every time you take a moment to visualize your dreams, you take a step toward them. So make this exercise part of your routine. Visualize, feel, and act. Whether you dream of climbing a mountain, starting a business, or simply improving yourself, it all begins with a clear vision in your mind. With patience and consistent effort, you'll see that the future you imagine is closer than you think. Start today, your dreams are waiting for you. If this video inspired you and you want to keep discovering tools to turn your dreams into reality, subscribe to the channel now. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.